Yes, my dear child. I miss Sam for the New Year's for 2021. Cheers. Welcome to MSE TV Network Talking Drink. And how better to bring it in with my fans. How you doing? How was your week? How you feeling? I hope you got some new energy for this New Year's that's about to come in a few hours in America. I know New Year's has come in Africa and England. I've heard a lot from a lot of people across the world. Thank you for wishing me well for the 2020. Well, let me tell you what's going on. I hope you have a drink, you know. I hope you have a drink. You have to have a drink with Miss Sam tonight. Come on, come on, come on. Get the bottle out. Get the bottle out. My phone is blowing up like there's no tomorrow right now. But I'm not going to stop this little live when I go, duh. Well, there's a lot going on in MSE TV Network, let me tell you, mate. God is sitting on his throne and he's giving us, his approval. We have 4 movies coming out between February and May. So for those of you who are subscribed to my channel and have been watching some of our movies, we got a special treat for you. The first 2 movies coming out in February will be Voodoo Husband from our African Nigeria team. Baby, wait till you see that movie. You're going to be on the edge of your seat. You're going to say, Miss Sam, well done. That script was written to perfection. I said there's a lot of twists, a lot of drama, a lot of carrying on and suspense. So make sure in February, it's going to be out by February 21st. It might even come out a little bit earlier. Voodoo Husband, Africa. Big up yourself, the directors. Yes, Don and Joseph, the Aqua Dons, them. Big up your thing. You need to check out their channel and their music. They're awesome. They're awesome in their music and they're awesome in being professional actors for MSE TV Network. And we're so fortunate and blessed to have them on board. The next movie that's going to come out in February is coming from Germany. King Kenny, big up your damn self and the whole German team right now. Cheers. Well, we got our own COVID movie coming out calling Surviving the Pandemic. Because you know all of this is a plan. You know, it's a depopulation plan. I don't need to tell you. Wake up, people. Yeah, so I've written a script for that. I'm anxiously waiting for that. It's going to be hot. It's going to be serious. It has a lot of twists in it. And Germany always bring it 100%. So look out for Surviving the Deadly Pandemic from Germany, King Kenny's team. Then now we're rolling over to Jamaica. Jamaica gonna come hard. They have 2 movies that they're gonna come out with for MSE TV Network. The first one, if you watch Daddy's Girl 1, it left you in suspense. So we're going to take it from there and continue with the drama with Daddy Girl 2. Let me tell you something. If you think 1 was off the chin, 2 are the one for you if you watch. Trust me. And that's coming out in the end of March. And then now, Diddy Dan team. Big up yourself, Diddy Dan team. They have a movie called Return of Judas. If you watch part 1, here comes Judas. It still left you like, what's going on? But Miss Sam resurrected dead. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say nothing more. I don't want to spoil it. So, people, that should be coming out the end of April, first week of May. The Return of Judas. And let me tell you something. You see that the script there? You see that the storyline? It gone clear to Jupiter and Mars. Me I tell you, it bad. And you know That team, their actors are off the chain. So I got plenty of treats for you. So make sure you go over to my YouTube channel, MSE TV Network, and subscribe and like. And like, just don't watch, and like and share with all your friends and your family. Well, people, I'm feeling myself right now with my drink and everything. I hope you're feeling yourself. I just want to say on behalf of MSE TV Network, we wish you all the best for this coming year, 2021. We wish you all the success. Most of all, I wish you good health in this pandemic time with the dirty COVID, you know? Yeah. But, you know, God is in control of everything. And we have to stay prayed up. We got to put on the whole armor of the Lord. Because sometimes we feel like, you know what? This could be it. We might be living in the last days. So make sure your heart is right with the Lord. Make sure your heart is right with your family and your friends, and do the right thing. Now, I've noticed that a lot of people's level is very low right now. And I'm here to tell you and to encourage you. Keep your head up. Stay focused. Let me tell you something very important before I come off this live, because it's a quick live because I'm drinking and I'm in my drink. You know how I am when I'm drinking, right? The same energy that you're feeling, if it's negative, you're going to bring that into 2021. And that means that the universe has to obey how you feel. So I want you to go in jolly. I don't care how you feel. I need you to fake it till you make it, right? I want you to be jolly for 2021. Go in with that spirit of gratitude, because a lot of people, over 300, and me lose count how much people dead in America here and all across the world. Millions have died and didn't live to see 2021. And God still have you here, so it's for a reason. So I want you to be grateful for life, okay? And I want you to think positive things, all right? And I don't want you to be depressed or depleted. We know money's tight with all of us. You think me rich? Me not rich. Me need money, eh? Someone who need for write me some damn check for MSE TV Network Performing Art and give me. And that me I say, and you can do that. You can WhatsApp me. You can PayPal me. You can Cash App me. And give us support at MSE TV Network. You can call me on 1407-723-9831. Right. Let me talk proper English. You can call me on 1407-723-9831, darling. Give me the check. Give me the money. Because the money behind the fence for 2021 and love. You understand? Right. So you better come with love and you better come with money for me Sam and me all damn crew. Because if me Sam eat, you better believe my crew in MSE TV Network got to eat. My family have to eat. And I just want to big up my sister in New York, Georgia Hunter. How you doing, darling? She's been a pillar of strength. She's been keeping me going. Let me tell you, she has extended herself to me. And I love you, big sister. And, you know, I wish you all the best for the New Year's. Yeah, I just thought I'd put that out because, you know, my big sister's always scoping out my Facebook and making sure that I'm behaving myself because you know what I'm like. You know what I mean? But enough love, Marie, enough respect and everything. I think the drink is starting to kick in. I'm big up all the Thai boys them all around the world because, you know, so me some love our Thai boy them. Me Stella fi get our groove on. Yeah. Anyway, take good of yourself. You understand? Love you loads. Mwah. and subscribe to MSC TV Network on YouTube. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at the same address, MSC TV Network. Take care. God bless.